Severe hearing loss, how is it defined? Hearing loss is an all too common problem. An estimated nearly 36 million Americans suffer from some form of hearing loss, and many people are unaware that they may suffer from it. Not everybody hears the same, of course, and not all hearing loss effects its sufferer the same. Hearing loss ranges widely in degree from mild to profound. Near the serious end of the spectrum is severe hearing loss. Sadly, many people in the United States do not get help because they do not realize it or just disregard the problem as natural and don't try to get treatment for it. For those who are aware of the problem, there is hope to get the problem fixed. The degree of hearing loss is measured primarily by the minimum decibel threshold that must be attained before a sound can be registered. The decibel system is based on a scale of 1 to 100, 1 being the lowest level of sound audible to a human being. Severe hearing loss is thus defined as hearing loss that prevents one from hearing sounds below 71 dB but not above 90 dB. If one is unable to hear sounds above 90 dB, their hearing loss is then qualified as profound. Keep in mind that 70 decibels is roughly equivalent to the volume of an airplane engine. The wide range of human hearing, a range so wide it must be graphed on a logarithmic scale, resists easy categorization, especially since not everyone has the same levels of hearing originally. A term like severe hearing loss is less a strict diagnosis than it is a guideline that can help determine what course of treatment is best. In certain strictly legal circumstances, these guidelines are converted into a percentage of hearing lost. The usefulness of such a measure outside of a courtroom has been called into question. The reason being that everyone's hearing is different, and as a result, there can never really be an exact percentage that would really be accurate for everyone. Despite the inexact nature of pinpointing how much hearing one has actually lost, attempts to measure how severe hearing loss is can help audiologists, professional doctors specializing in how the ear's hearing system functions, treat it and prescribe hearing aids and, in some circumstances, a cochlear implant. While severe hearing loss can be a serious hindrance, it becomes much easier to deal with a proper course of treatment. With treatment, the hearing can improve and those who suffer will be relieved of their suffering. Fortunately, now there are some very effective treatments thanks to medicine, various procedures and improvements in technology. Treatment can be as simple as buying a hearing aid, but in some situations, there are certain medical procedures which one can use to better improve the nerve cells involving sound to replacing the bones in the ear vital to the hearing process, thus significantly helping ease the problem. These procedures can be very effective in almost fully recovering your hearing, but there are some cases that it actually may make your hearing even worse than before. Fortunately, many companies are now looking for cures in medicine that hopefully will be able to make these auditory problems nothing but a mere memory of the past. Right now, they are in their younger phases, but as time slowly progresses, technology as well as medicine will improve more and more to the point that it can become extremely effective. Not only will it be effective, but the price of such procedures and medicine will become much cheaper, and more Americans, as well as people all over the world, will be able to afford to improve their hearing.